रे शिक्षण संस्थाज धनंजयराव गडगे कॉलेज of Commerce Satara, an autonomous college. Dear students, myself Professor Sanjay Yadav, Coordinator of Distance Education, Dhananjayarav Gadge College of Commerce Satara. First of all, I would like to welcome all the students who admitted in the class of M.Com first. Students, रे शिक्षण संस्था धनंजयराव गाडगे College of Commerce Satara. In the Department of Distance Education is always helpful for students for development students capability as well as development students ability. So we know the distance education is very important for every students, those which are perfectly belonging in different community, different societies. So this course is underwent through the review by the subject matter experts. So distance education is also called distance learning, is the education of students who may not always be physically present at the school. That's why distance education is rising very well in India. Traditionally, this usually involve correspondence course wherein the students corresponded with the school via mail, as well as different type of the technologies which are perfectly useful by the students for the said course. So it involves different type of the modes toward the online education. A distance education learning programs can be completely distance learning or a combination of distance learning and traditional classroom instructions, that is a MOOC. So all online courses are available toward the distance education or other network technologies applied in the system of the distance education. So, in a recent educational mode, in a distance education, this type of the education is always essential for the students. A number of other terms like the distributed learning, e-learning, online learning, virtual classroom, etc. are used roughly synonymously with the distance education. This center will be fully equipped with facilities for conducting admissions, contact sessions, various meetings towards student developments, seminars and conferences organized by our college for distance education students as well as regular students. And so these distance educations of रे शिक्षण संस्था Satara and Dhananjayarav Gadge College of Commerce Satara is always helpful for students for growing their capacity. So distance education is introduced in our college and admission is given to classes such as BCom first, second as well as BCom third year class, along with MCom part 1 as well as second. Distance education is very important for the students who cannot remain present in the college. In the Dhananjayarav Gadge College of Commerce Satara, in the Department of Distance Education, various subject related informations are perfectly given to the students. Various subject related SIMs are issued to the students immediately, as well as various subject related contact sessions are organized by our department. And one important factor is perfectly considered here, that is job guidance, as well as job is very important for every students, and job guidance is given to the students from the distance education department. So our college principal, Dr. Pratibha Gaikwad Madam, her kind support is always with us. That's why the distance education is rising very well. All the eminent personalities who guide us and development of distance education students' capabilities. So, in our college, distance education is rising very well day by day, and this type of course is runningly very well in our department of distance education. So, students, dear students, your bright futures, bright ambitions, and different type of the dreams regarding in the education field. So, Ray Shikshan Sanstha Dhanijrao Gadge College of Commerce is always helpful for every students for blossom your wonderful careers. So we are going ahead towards the different type of the objectives regarding the distance educations. So students, we know the regarding objective toward the distance educations, that is to provide the educational opportunities. It means what? Those students which are perfectly belonging in the different type of the educations via this distance mode. So the distance education departments is always provide educational opportunities to the enrolled students. Then to more number of students from the eligible age group than is possible today. So more and more students who are eligible for the said course always welcome, as well as to different sections of the society who are for same reason unable to pursue educations and brings them into the mainstream. Our social development is perfectly depend upon the enthusiastic education, those which are perfectly coming from the various modes. So, to the female class of the society who have remained deprived because of domestic responsibility and social restrictions. So that's the glitter situations are perfectly coming from the distance educations to the such type of the facilities. Those always and always remain the deprived situations, as well as domestic responsibilities, as well as social restrictions. So distance education is always better for them for development for himself. Then to the working class who choose to study at their home place and peace. It means that regular students as well as those students are engaged in various jobs. This education is better for them. So to all the section of the society, irrespective of caste, religion, gender, area of origin, social and financial status, etc. So that area will be developed on the behalf of the distance education mode. So all the caste, all the religions, genders, area, as well as financial status will not be considered in this distance education mode, free of welcome in the distance education mode, along with affordable cost, and to offer course of study along with self-instructional material. That the SIM contact session is conducted by our department. Counseling facilities always provide to the students for development is a brain level as well as is a mental capacity as well as capability. Along with library and internet facilities is also available in our college. Those students who have eagerly inspired to that particular course, always welcome in the distance education. So dear students, myself Sanjay Yadav, coordinator of distance education, Rais Shikshan Sanstha's Dhananjarao Gadge College of Commerce Satara. I welcome all the enrolled students for blossom their wonderful careers. Thank you very much.